Eating lettuce every day can have various effects on your body due to its nutritional composition and potential health benefits. Here are some of the potential effects. Nutritional benefits. Lettuce is low in calories and rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins A, K, and C, as well as folate and various minerals like potassium and manganese. Consuming it daily can contribute to meeting your daily nutrient requirements. Hydration. Lettuce has a high water content, aiding in hydration. Regular consumption can help maintain adequate hydration levels in your body. Digestive health. Lettuce contains dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. Fiber can help prevent constipation, improve bowel movements, and support a healthy digestive tract. Weight management. Due to its low calorie and high water content, lettuce can be part of a balanced diet for those aiming for weight management or weight loss. It provides a feeling of fullness without adding a significant number of calories. Antioxidant properties. Lettuce contains antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Potential anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in lettuce may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could be beneficial for reducing inflammation in the body. Improved immunity. The vitamins and minerals in lettuce, especially vitamin C, can support a healthy immune system and help the body fight off infections. Bone health. Lettuce contains vitamin K, which is essential for bone health, and may contribute to bone strength and density. Eye health. Vitamin A in lettuce is important for maintaining good vision and eye health. It's important to note that while lettuce is nutritious and can be part of a healthy diet, a well-rounded and diverse diet is essential for overall health. Potential anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that certain compounds found in lettuce may have anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed to confirm these effects. Detoxification and cleansing. Lettuce's high water content and fiber can aid in detoxifying the body by flushing out toxins and waste products, promoting a sense of cleansing and refreshment. Alkalizing effect. Lettuce is considered alkaline-forming in the body, which may help balance the body's pH levels and reduce acidity, potentially supporting overall health. Improved skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in lettuce may contribute to healthier, glowing skin. Vitamin A, in particular, is known for promoting skin health and reducing the signs of aging. Aids in sleep. Lettuce contains a compound called lactucarium, which is believed to have sedative properties. Consuming lettuce, especially certain types like romaine, may help relax the nervous system and aid in better sleep.